Welcome back, my friends. This is Lindsay, and I have another work from home job lead for you. Today's job lead is for those of you who do not have a computer, but you do want to work from home, or even if you do have a computer, but you want a MacBook to work from. The company EV Energy, they are hiring a customer success advocate. Now, this is fully remote within the United States, and they are going to provide you with a completely free MacBook to work from, so you do not have to have any equipment or home office setup. They'll make sure that you get completely set up. You just have to have the skills to do the job. They are paying fairly well, and they also offer flexible working hours. So we will just dive on in. Just know if you're interested in applying, the links to this page are in the YouTube description box below this video. Now, this is a customer service position. They are looking for a customer success advocate to fully support the delivery and execution of some of their residential EV or electric vehicle charging programs. You'll be helping the drivers of the electric vehicles enroll into a managed charging program, which involves making sure they can connect their vehicle or charger to the EV Energy and verifying their account details and eligibility. This is going to require you to liaise between the utilities, the project managers, and EV drivers themselves. So you will have to work with other departments internally. You're going to help troubleshoot and resolve any issues that their electric vehicle drivers face as they participate in these utility programs relating to charging, data collection, and incentive administration. So talking about the incentive administration part, you'll help calculate and administer any financial incentives that the EV drivers get on behalf of the utilities. Sometimes that means initiating payouts via PayPal, Venmo, or Amazon gift card. You'll help keep the database of energy rates and prices up to date and make signups as simple as possible for the drivers. So they do not require any kind of college degree for this position. They just want somebody who has prior experience in a customer-facing role. It doesn't say how much experience, just that you have some kind of prior customer service experience. They want somebody who has the ability to translate what people are saying and what they really mean. And so what that means is being able to listen to the words that someone is saying and read between the lines. Sometimes it's hard to articulate what you mean when describing something to someone. Somebody might use certain words to describe a situation while other people use different words and languages. So it's just kind of knowing what the customer means so that you can help them. Of course, you got to have excellent communication skills, be a team player, and a passion for decarbonation in the electric vehicle space. You have to have some kind of understanding of electric vehicles. But if that is you, they offer great pay and great benefits. Now, it says this role pays up to $58,600 a year, and they offer a brand new MacBook loaded with all the tools and software you need. They offer medical, dental, vision benefits, 401k, paid time off, and it says they have team weeks across the world multiple times a year, and they pay for your flights and accommodations if you want to go to those. So free travel opportunities for you. And it also says, if you keep scrolling down, that they offer flexible working hours. All right, if this job lead was not for you, that's okay. Please feel free to leave in the comments anything specific that you're looking for. I'm always reading those and keeping that in mind. I want to say thank you so much for watching and supporting me, and I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you.